Hey explorers!
Welcome back to Little Roches World.
Today let's dive into the fascinating world of transportation. From the roads to the skies and the seas. We can travel through road, sky and seas. Let's see them. First we will see car, scooter, bicycle, truck, bus, school bus, van, ambulance, police car, train, helicopter, airplane, ship,
Thank you for watching Little Roches World. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to ring the bell icon for more videos. Bye kids.